Hey guys, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Today we're almost in the shed, but not quite. At least we're out of the kitchen. I'm outside in the backyard here, and I'm hooking up that tankless water heater that I get for the camper. And we're hooking it up for a test run. Now, a few things about this. Pretty easy setup, but a couple things I did not like. And right underneath here, this connector for the water hose, one, it's leaking a little bit, and two, doesn't have a swivel on it. So you got to turn the whole hose, which makes it bind up. Other than that, nothing else is leaking. Propane's not leaking. The hot water out is not leaking. And this, when I hook it up to the camper, I'm going to have a quick disconnect hooked up to it anyway. But I will tell you what, we had it going here just a minute ago. And yeah, it works good. Right here, turn the water on. There we go, and I don't know if you could hear it, but it lit. And this tells you the temperature. Right now it's 42 degrees Celsius. I have no idea what that means. And it's daytime, so you can't see the flames, but you can look in there and see them. But I'll tell you what, it is nice and warm. It works fine, and it don't take long at all for it to heat up. And then it shuts off automatically. And as you can see, I have the propane to a little bit under half, and I got the water flow way down. And with this shower head on it, that's plenty of pressure to take a shower with. It's good flow. It's fine. We'll see how it does when I actually hook it up to the camper. But right now, I'm going to turn the water back on because I'm interested. Yeah, I'm interested in seeing how much heat comes out of here. Yeah, it gets hot. But it isn't that bad. I don't see where it would set anything on fire. It's what, 6-8 inches above it. You can get your hand down on there. It gets warm. But yeah, and as you can see, it's spraying pretty good. That's got a pretty good spray on it. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, except for that one fitting, which, you know, like I said, doesn't matter to me too much, because it's going to be replaced with a quick disconnect. So I'll fix that little leak there. But yeah, it's not bad, not bad. Would I recommend it? Well, so far, for 5 minutes worth of usage, it seems to be working pretty good, just like advertised. And again, once you actually turn the water off, the flame goes out, it shuts itself off. You don't have to do anything. When you want hot water, it starts itself right back up. And the heat is almost instant on this. Today it's only in the 50s, and I know the water was pretty cold. And it heated it up real quick. Anyway, that's about it. Gonna let you go. We'll see you next time. Thank you all for stopping by. Hey guys, quick update. After 3.5 minutes of use, the line for the shower busted. Now it's only, that's not real metal, that's just plastic that's on there. And the hose on it is extremely thin. It's like a vacuum hose for an engine. It's very thin and cheap. So that's one thing I'm going to bitch about. But in my situation, I needed to get a longer one anyway, so it's not an extra expense for me. But for the price they're asking for this thing, I would think that this would last more than 5 or 10 minutes before it broke. And I didn't do anything. I didn't drop it, didn't do anything. It just busted. It just blew out. Anyway, that's the update. We'll let you know how things go. Thank you for stopping by. Y'all take care.